Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt. Today we're going to do stuff a little different. I'm going to set up the new EDC bag. I'll show you what I used to carry and how, and then show us transitioning into the new bag. Doing this because I'm actually swapping from this. I've been using this one for about 6 months, and I'm switching to a new bag. I bought a Rothco, let's see if I can get it to focus, advanced tactical bag. This is how I got this bag set up now. It may, since I haven't actually used it in this configuration, it may change a little bit, but starting right here on the top, which is what I'll be using the most, I have the headphones and then the battery pack and the charger cables. I'll just put that in the top since I'm using that the most. And then in this little, I guess it's supposed to be a cell phone holder, that's where I wind up putting the hand sanitizer. And some of this you might have seen in the fast forwarded footage, but this is pretty much final. That way I can get it out and use it while I'm wearing it and I ain't got to dig through the bag. I'm not a germaphobe, I just don't like germs. Out here is where I wind up putting the gloves and the cat tourniquet right here on the outside so I can access it. This little side, there's a little pocket between the main compartment and behind this pocket. That's where I wound up putting the glow stick and the fixed blade. And this front zipper, that's where I keep like the tissues and the comb. I found it when I was pulling out, but I do keep a comb with me where I keep the hand sanitizer wipes and stuff like that, so I can get from it on the outside. And then, like I say, I'll be probably just using this side pouch for carrying the snacks and stuff. And then on the inside, right here, keep the gum and that first aid kit. I just, slim down to this. It's clear. I can kind of see what I got, and easier to get to there. And then this zipper pocket right here, where I decided to put the small hygiene, and then the notepads with the pen, and then the sport. And then in the main compartment, it does cinch up, so it's more kind of waterproof, water resistant. But I wound up in it. I decided to keep pretty much all the electronic stuff because with recording with a camera and then extra USBs and stuff like that, I do keep like a copy of all my marriage certificate, driver license, stuff like that on the flash drive. So I want to make sure I have all that stuff with me, and I use this stuff more than anything. So I just decided to keep pretty much all the electronics in there except for the phone. That'll just be in the other bag. So got that, and then of course the tablet in the main compartment, and then keeping the bandana and the face mask, and then I put the bandage in the back. So that slimmed it down a whole lot. It's a lot lighter. I'm a lot happier. If you're into this kind of stuff in the gear, this is something that you do. And actually, when I watch videos, I like seeing how people change and adapt the way they carry stuff, instead of being acting like they know it all and got everything figured out. Because the part of having all the gear and stuff is finding new ways of carrying it, and that's part of the thrill with me, is trying out new things, and switching bags, switching gear, kind of seeing how stuff works better than others, and what you got use for more now than you do, even a year ago. So but we'll wrap it up now. Thanks for sticking around. Like, comment, subscribe. See if we can get some more videos up soon, and thanks for watching.